Hey folks, 1881MF, Little Debbie Does on the Life Buzzin' channel. We are cooking cheesy baked garlic potatoes. Look at this. They are so easy. Takes about an hour in the oven. Stay tuned and I'll show you how we make them. Okay, so for this very easy recipe, we're going to need potatoes. There's only 2 of us, so we use 3 potatoes. Extra virgin olive oil, garlic, kosher salt, parsley, and black pepper, or any version of that right there. So we're going to cut the potatoes to however you like to cut them. I think I'm going to kind of make them like this maybe. See how nice those are?
Big chunks like that?
Yeah, I think so. Look at that knife, by the way. That knife is amazing. I'll put a link down there in my description if you want to get it. So, cut all your potatoes up, put them in a bowl. So we got our clean potatoes cut up, put in a bowl. We're going to add some minced garlic. Of course, you could use fresh garlic if you choose. Kosher salt. You don't have to be kosher. You could use regular salt. Black pepper. You should really use black pepper. No offense.
Gotta have black pepper.
I like to put parsley in it just because it makes it look like you're from a restaurant. Right?
Gives it that flair.
And there's no measurements, people. Put in there what you want. You'll learn after making it once. And then your olive oil. Be stingy with this. Just going to put a little bit of olive oil in there. Then we're going to mix that all up.
Be done it.
Get those nice and mixed up. Put them in a cooking stone. Put them in the oven, uncovered, 375 to 400 for about an hour. And it all depends on how long you got with your main course. So we're going to start with 375 for an hour and check them out after that. That's easy, people. Garlic potatoes. So we take our potatoes, throw them in the oven, come back in an hour. Easy peasy. These guys have been in here about an hour, and we're about 10 or 12 minutes from eating, so I take them out, and this is when I add the cheese, hence the cheesy garlic oven potatoes. And then we put them back in the oven until it's time to eat. Alright, now that we've added our cheese to it to let it melt a little bit, we're going to take that out. And there you go. Serve it up. Thanks for watching 1881MF, Little Debbie Does on the Life Buzzin' channel. We're cooking garlic, cheesy, baked potatoes. Easy peasy. Thumbs up if you like it. Check us out on Instagram. Stay tuned for more food fun.